go again. We have, I don't know if you can tell or not, a pretty big snowstorm has just pushed in. We've got like three inches of snow right now. Got the Arkansas boys with us again, and old Bradley decided to show up. Brad and Travis and a couple other guys back home from Virginia came up. Finally got in last night. So we're deciding to break them in on a big snow rig, and hopefully none of us freeze to death. So gonna have I think it's like 8 shooters. Yeah, 7 or 8 shooters. So we'll see. I think Travis and Doyle scouted this last night, found it, and there's a lot. So we are grinding it out. It's windy, it's cold, got snow. I mean, it's just asking to get dirty around here. So we're gonna finish, get set up, and see what happens.
She's got a quota, the needle and thread, crucifixion, sold and shipped across the new line of Mason-Dixon. Ripping through denim, the point an inch from her vein. The foreman approaches, his steps pounding her brain. Steps pounding her brain. Her arm jerks, the sisters gather round her and scream as if in a dream. Eyes on the crimson stream, numb as her wrist spit blood through the floor. I am nothing, no one, nobody, no more. Tear away the mask. Tear away the mask. Tear away the mask. To rest, no moment to pray, no minute to rest, no moment to pray, no meaning to rest. 8 eclipses a day, just a moment to pray, just a moment to pray. No minute to rest, no moment to pray, no minute to rest, no moment to pray, no minute to rest. 8 eclipses a day, just a moment to pray, just a moment to pray.
Come! Get out. Did y'all help him? Punch him again.
This Snow Goose is brought to you by Wild Valley Outfitters. Wait, this thing's about to get
Kill him!
Man down, man down. You, Brad.
Kill these two!
Get him, boys, get him, boys, get him!
No!
31.
Kill these 6 up top!
So that's 34.
Jack! Turn on!
All right, that's 5 on that one. Who's gonna crunch? Who's gonna crunch? Travis?
Hey, Brad, shoot that bird, Brad. Shoot that bird. Oh, Brad, why don't you want to shoot it? Shit. Oh, Brad had to stop him.
Hey, two right in front. Two right in front.
Count him.
You call this? I'll call it. Yeah, you got it.
Yep, you call it. You call it.
Kill him! Kill him! Kill him!
You got 41 now?
Yeah.
Kill him, Arkansas boys! Nice! Shit! Kill Doc! One got obliterated.
Alright guys, we ended with 45 to 50 snows and I think 5 or 6 ducks. Got real cold and all of our camera batteries died. So you'll have that on them big jobs, but it was a decent hunt. The geese didn't really do it like we wanted them to, but we still made it happen and we're gonna shoot some ducks this evening. Let's do it.